What's up, guys? It's your old pal Deluxe Chimp, and today I'm doing my first install video on my Sportster. It's a very technical video, so follow along closely. Take notes if you need to. It's going to go something like this. Go over to the bike, remove the gas cap. Take the old gas cap, throw it in the trash. Then head into your cargo shorts that everyone likes to make fun of, because what do you carry in your cargo shorts? Why, a new gas cap. So take your package. Your package. Get out your trusty pocket knife. Stab said package. Free from its wrapping the new gas cap. And this is a Roland Sands design gas cap that I got on eBay, so it's probably a Chinese knockoff, because what can you really expect for 17 bucks on Fleabay? It looks like the gasket really doesn't fit quite right, or it's just in the wrong position. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that down. Then take the gas cap, put it in the original factory stock location, turn it to the right, boom, and there it is. The Chinese, no doubt, ripoff Roland Sands gas cap on my 2008 Sportster. My first install video, if you will. It was pretty technical. I hope you followed along. You, again, took notes. But there it is. Roland Sands designs right there on this cheapo gas cap that'll probably leak like a sieve. And that's about going to do it for this video. As you can see, it's a nice day outside and looks like great riding weather, so I'm going to go for a ride. So this has been Deluxe Chimp. Go ahead and click that bell icon so you know when I have new content available. And as always, until next time, ride safe.